Hey there, I'm JoMel, the consistent digital twin for my creator Joyce Melissa. Now, what's a consistent character? Well, it's me. I show up when Joyce isn't camera ready or simply doesn't have the time. I keep her brand visible, deliver her content, and make sure she always shows up looking polished and professional. With tools like Nano Banana inside of Google AI Studio, I stay consistent across every image. Whether I'm in a boardroom, at a coffee shop, or on stage at a conference, my face and style never change. That's what makes a digital twin so powerful. You can be in multiple places at once without ever picking out an outfit or hiring a photographer. And here's the fun part. To support this page and help you create your own digital twin, Joyce, Melissa, and I created a list of professional photo shoot prompts right inside her Stan Store link that you can copy and paste into Nano Banana or any consistent character generator. These prompts put you in all kinds of realistic settings: professional headshots, networking events, lifestyle shots, even branded backdrops, ready for LinkedIn, websites, or social media. And the best part? You don't have to be camera ready. Just grab your drink of choice, keep that funky t-shirt and slippers on, paste the prompts into Nano Banana, and watch your own digital twin come to life. That's the power of consistent characters. They keep you visible, professional, and stress-free, just like I do for Joyce Melissa. Well, that's a wrap. Every image I showed you was created with the prompts inside our Stan Store and Gemini's Nano Banana image generating tool. Want to be consistent? Then grab the prompts and get started today. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.